How's it going? I'm Andrew with Turf Titan. We have a beautiful spring day today, and I've been watching these videos, B&B Lawn Care, Blake over there, and Clint, the neighbor dominator, and I need to take a page out of their book and really step up my lawn this year. So we stopped by, rented an overseeder, which I've never used before, and then also stopped by our partners at Site One Landscape and picked up some tough turf seed, which is supposed to be top of the line. And so we're going to put this down, and then I'm going to come back after I'm all done, roll the yard, and then hit it up with root booster to really inoculate that seed and get it going. So let's do this. What a day. Yesterday was the perfect day to get the seed down. We also were able to inoculate that seed with a root booster product. That's going to get those roots established, get the seed going. And today it's raining out, it's 40 degrees. We're in the perfect scenario to really start this lawn off great for the season, and we will keep you posted on the progress.